If you wonder how you can charge your Xiaomi Sound Outdoor speaker, then let me quickly explain. So I'm actually using cable from my phone. This is cable from the Xiaomi phone. You can also use this original cable that comes in the box. That's your choice, but this one is actually longer, so it's actually for me easier to reach for power supply. And also sometimes I'm connected this into my laptop or monitor, but sometimes I'm using the charging brick. And you don't have to buy any specific charging brick. You can use this one that you are using from your phone, for example. And in my case, I've got the Xiaomi adapter, but can also use adapters from Samsung, Google, Realme, Vivo, or any other brand that you have. You don't have to buy any specific power adapter, charging brick to recharge this device. And this charging port is available here. So we can open it, plug the cable here, connect this into the power supply, and your speaker will start charging. And that will be all. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.